Now while we're waiting for creatives to pass moderation, let's set up our campaign. To do this, we go to Campaigns tab here on the left, and here we see groups of campaigns. These groups can be shared with other users. You can either allow them to bring changes or just let them check the stats. You can also add a commission, which also can be hidden or shown to your partner. Okay, so let's create a group. Let's call it tutorial group. Okay, group is created. Here you can see that you can share it. You can add some other user email and let him either edit or view only your campaign. We won't do it now. We'll just add a campaign to our group. To do this, we need to press this button here. So these are basically all the campaign types we have on our platform. Everything is working, and today we're going with banner, but all others are working the same way. So on this page we have all the campaign settings, and each of them is described here on the right, but we'll go through it anyway. So let's set a name for our campaign. Let's call it tutorial campaign, and we need to indicate advertiser domain. That'll be League of Legends, since we had their creatives. Type of audience, we need a new one, since we don't have data for targeting. From different buying strategies, we're going to pick CPM for this campaign. And I think I don't want app traffic, I want only web traffic here. Starting date is okay. I think it's quite obvious. What does it mean? And frequency in the last 24 hours means how many times each banner will be shown to a particular person. 3 times for one person a day is too much, I think. We'll go with 1. Here we need to set our budget. Let's go with $10, which is a minimum. So we won't limit daily budget, won't limit daily expressions and impressions. We'll just move to our audience. So I think all genders are playing League of Legends, but we'll choose some other ages, like that. And we won't adjust the household income. So next tab is target here, probably the most important one. So for a campaign, we need some. So target is basically a type of site on which your ads would be shown. So we'll go with something like gaming. We'll go video and computer games, and probably something else like computer entertainment or something like this. Yes, should be okay. And geography, let's just go with the United States to make it easy. Now the time targeting. It's pretty flexible. You can do here whatever you want. If you just want your ads to be shown a couple of hours, some particular day, you can do it. But we'll go with something. We'll go with something like this. It's okay. Placement. We won't adjust anything here, but you can choose a position, a place on the site where your banner would be shown. Type of devices, a type of operational systems, or any particular browser. We won't adjust here because it will limit our traffic, and we don't want it. And here we can also set a filter. Whitelist means you can indicate sites, and your ads will be shown only on these sites. You can add sites to blacklists, and then your ads won't be shown on these sites. And you can even block some particular whole SSP, like you don't want traffic from Yandex. We don't want traffic from Yandex, okay? And finally, you need to attach your creative. We previously have already created it, so we'll just choose it here. And if you want, you can indicate in the email to get all of the notifications. And the last thing I want to mention here is these buttons here, turn on AI. It means that if you push that button, it means that AI optimization will come into place, and after your campaign is running for some time, it will adjust for a better outcome. So now everything is set, and we press save here. Yes, campaign successfully added. Great.